What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Pepe, which has hit a green candle today. Nothing major, but it is up just about 7% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at this value here. So we're going to be going through what is next for Pepe. Is it going to keep hitting green candles, or is it going to fluctuate around its current price range like it has been over the last week or so, or is it likely to hit more red candles, dropping back down in value? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at what is the best option right now, and essentially covering his prediction over the short term and over the long term in 2024. What can we expect from this crypto? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and we have Pepe trading at a much higher value than the SMA indicator, which gives us the average value of Pepe, which is here in purple, meaning the crypto is performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we can see the blue and the orange line are looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning minimal gains in value are expected from Pepe over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I'm expecting increases in value, more green candles from the crypto. However, the only reason I'm not expecting a major increase is because I'm also expecting red candles in between. So do expect dips as well as peaks in between, but the overall outcome does seem to be more on the positive side, potentially pumping about 15%, 10 to 15% up from where it is at the moment is what I'm expecting from Pepe over the next 12 to 14 hours. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're looking a little bit more skeptical here. We've got the blue line clearly looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, the orange line is looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Pepe over the next week or so. Again, over the last week as well, it has been quite volatile, but overall it has maintained its value. So I'm expecting another repeat of that over the coming weeks. Both green and red candles, it is likely to be quite volatile, but by mid next week, Pepe should essentially be trading around its current price range or slightly lower. But no major movements are expected, but because it's going to be a mixture of ups and downs, the crypto is likely to stabilize around its current price range. So guys, by mid next week it should essentially be trading at its current price range. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we got the orange line looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive, meaning that is not realistic because of how steep it's looking. And the blue line is looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected from Pepe over the next 6 to 8 weeks. And guys, by late April, early May, as I mentioned in my previous update, I'm expecting Pepe to have dropped back down in value, trading at a much lower value than where it is at the moment is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at, potentially down to about 0. However many zeros and 3 cents is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Reason for that is, as you guys can see here, over the last month the crypto has done over 720% increase, which is absolutely crazy, and it is, in my opinion and the predictions that I have done, overvalued right now, and I'm expecting it to go for a price correction late March, early April, hitting red candles. I wouldn't call it a crash because it's not going to crash in 2-3 days, but over time it is likely to hit red candles and dropping back down in value. So an overall drop in value is what I'm expecting. However, yes, we do have the Bitcoin halving coming up in April, which could have an impact on the value of Pepe, which I will keep you guys updated on as much as I can. And yes, I have been doing daily updates on Pepe, guys, so make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get updated on a daily basis and to stay in the loop on any changes that occur. So bringing on the Fibonacci scale here, we can see the crypto is still trading in the top tier level here and is likely to hit potentially another all-time high over the coming days before it slowly starts to dip back down in value late March, April time, dropping back down into the green zone and potentially into the red zone by mid-year is what my expectations are at the moment. So before I go any further, guys, just a little announcement for those of you guys who want to take part in my Telegram group chat. I will leave a link to it in the description box down below. It is usually $29.99 a month. However, using discount code DEC10 you get 50% off to make it $14.99 a month. And again, this is for a limited time only and for a limited number of members only, guys, so make sure you're quick if you guys want to join. So what happens once you sign up is you get put into two group chats. The first one is where I'll be showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling, but do bear in mind that I am a long-term trader. And the second chat is a general chat where I'll be showing you guys regular updates on the crypto market, what to expect and what to predict. And you guys can also ask me questions on other cryptos that you guys want me to do predictions analysis on, which I will also provide in the group chat. Again, don't worry about the figures of Bitcoin here. This is an old screenshot from nearly 2 years ago, but you get the gist of what happens, guys. If you guys are interested, link is again in the description box down below. And now back to Pepe. So in the last 24 hours, the trading volume has gone up nearly 50%, making it $1.7 billion in trading. Reason is, yes, it did take a pump up earlier this morning, and right now as well, it's slowly starting to pump back up in value. So more and more people are trading the crypto right now. We're seeing a lot more investors as well as a lot more sellers taking out their profits. Again, for the long term, this is not a crypto that I would be interested into. As I mentioned, I'm expecting it to go for a price correction, dipping back down in value. But I have seen a lot of people saying it's going to break out. Personally, it's already broken out. It's already overvalued and likely to dip back down. But if your predictions have changed, let me know in the comment section down below. If not, let me know how many zeros is it likely to add or get rid of in 2024. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.